Hi, it's Stu from StuTech with yet another tech tip of the day. Now, I don't know what I'm going to talk about today. Well, actually, I do because I plan these out, but I'm not going to tell you. So let's see what we got going on today. Hey, everyone. Today's tech tip is about Zoom calls. So, zooming the right way is what I'm going to call it. It's not driving down the road too fast, but Zoom calls. So, if you're tired of fumbling with Zoom calls or team calls, take some time and learn the basic. Learn how to mute yourself, turn the camera on and off, leave the meeting when it's over. I tell people just practice. If you want to practice on a Teams call or a Zoom call with me, give me a call, give me an email. We'll schedule one. It's really easy. Maybe we'll do a webinar or a seminar on it, but practice makes perfect. And we'll help you look and sound great on every call, but as long as you practice and Zoom the right way. This is Stu from StuTech with today's tech tip. We'll see you tomorrow. And there you have it, another StuTech Tech Tip of the day. Now, I would hope that you pass these on, but always remember, if you have a tech problem, call us, not your kids.